biologist here at Glazer Children's Museum. Welcome to the farm. Here at the museum, we're learning all about good bugs for a good garden. Did you know that bugs are an essential part of a healthy garden and ecosystem? Bugs and plants need each other to survive. So let's start by learning about the life of a plant. All living things need food, water, and shelter, and plants are no different. They need water from the rain and streams, food from the soil and sun, and plenty of space to grow. Every plant you see started from a seed. You see, when seeds get soil, sun, and water, they'll start to grow and become a sprout. Over time, that sprout will grow and create a tiny little plant called a seedling. And with a lot of time and care, that seedling will grow and grow and grow until it becomes a mature plant. Plants are very important in the world around us. They produce oxygen that helps us breathe, provide shelter for animals and insects, and grow food for all living things. Butterflies and bees are just two insects that rely on plants for food. Butterflies and bees drink nectar from flowers such as milkweed. But plants rely on butterflies and bees for survival too. You see, butterflies and bees are pollinators. That means when they land on a flower to drink the nectar, they also collect the pollen on their legs. And as they fly from flower to flower, they spread the pollen, which creates new seeds, and the life cycle of a plant starts over. So you see, bugs and plants are part of an important system, and everyone works in perfect harmony to help each other survive. Now, I have a question for you, my friend. Do you want to start growing your very own plant? Great! Let's make some seed balls together so you can start growing some plants of your very own to attract good bugs to your garden and to keep this important ecosystem going. To make our seed balls, we'll need some air-dry clay, soil, water, seeds, and a mixing bowl. First, we're going to use our mixing bowl and mix together our dirt and water until it's damp. It should look something like this. Next, get your clay and dirt and mix them together, forming a nice ball. Finally, grab a pinch of seeds and roll them onto your ball. Today, I'm using milkweed seeds. Milkweed is a native plant in Florida, and it attracts butterflies and bees. Hopefully, if I plant milkweed in my garden, it will serve as a food for bees and butterflies, and the pollen they spread will lead to more milkweed plants. And here, we have our seed balls. When you're ready to plant, just toss the ball in your garden. And remember, there's no need to bury or water it. We already gave it all the nutrients it needs. Soon, with a little patience, your seeds will start to grow. I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to put this in my garden and see what flowers will grow. Be sure to show us the seed balls you made at home. And remember to look for butterflies in your garden.